Hello traders. In today's video, we are going to be talking about the SmaRt FX EA for MetaTrader 5. This is one of those robots that look pretty simple on the surface, but the marketing language can easily make it sound smarter than it is. So we're really going to strip it down like a real trader, look at what the developer actually claims, what the strategy is, and then compare that with my own backtest results and some real world trading common sense. But before we dive into the video, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Alright, so if you're new here, I test and review lots of Forex robots and trading pages or algos. So if you want more no-nonsense EA reviews like this, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next breakdown. Alright, so the SmaRt FX EA for MT5. Let me just expand this so we can see clearly. On the marketplace, sold for $99 US. It's presented as a trend following system that combines moving averages and price action to trade the major forex pairs, especially on the 15 minutes time frame, the M15. It promises no greed, no martingale, as you can see over here, and talks a lot about controlled risks, built-in stop loss and take profits, and a kind of smart trade management. On paper, that sounds like a breath of fresh air compared to the usual martingale bomb you see on the marketplaces. But the thing is, we need to look a lot closer at what's actually being claimed and how that would behave in live markets. All right. So as for the strategy, the first big point is SmaRt FX is marketed as a moving average plus price action robot. They say it combines moving averages with price behavior to find trading opportunities. In practical terms, that usually means it looks at one or more moving averages to decide trend direction or bias. It waits for some sort of pattern in the candles or price swings before entering as well. They also emphasize that it works on all major forex pairs and several minors, and that it's optimized or at least recommended for the M15 time frame. You can see that over here. All right. They even name pairs like EURUSD, GBPUSD, and AUD as good candidates. That's a clue. The EA is probably tuned specifically for certain volatility and behavior profiles. All right, another key claim is the management or the risk management. The developer clearly states that it uses stop loss and take profit on every trade. They also stress that there's no greed and no martingale. So the official story is it's not stacking endless orders against the trend, it's not doubling lot sizes after losses, and it's not playing the usual blow up game we see so often. On top of that, they mention features like break even and trailing stop. So once a trade moves in profits, the EA can lock in some gains or trail the stop to follow price. Again, on paper, that's perfectly fine. That's what a lot of manual trend traders do anyway. All right, they also talk about time filters and avoiding bad trading sessions. The developer implies the EA knows when not to trade and can be configured to avoid certain times, which is especially important for lower time frame systems that don't want to get chopped up in quiet Asian sessions or smashed during high impact news. Alright, so let's take a look at the developer's equity curve from its testing, and then after which we are going to compare it to my own backtest, see if it holds up nicely that way. So for the developers test, you can see the equity curve looks quite smooth. You can see from the bottom left of the chart of the equity curve, it moves kind of in like a 45-degree angle directly towards the upside, towards your far right or the far right of the charts or the equity graph. So it looks pretty decent with pretty gains or pretty decent gains over time. So let's quickly go ahead and compare that to my own personal backtest to see if it actually holds up to what the developer claims and the developer's test as well. Okay, so as recommended, I carried out my backtest on the EURUSD pair on the M15 time frame for the period of 1 year, ranging from 2025 1st of April to 2026 1st of April. So that's a period of 1 year. And my initial deposit was $10,000. So let's see how that turned out, or how that played out rather. Okay, so as you can see, for the initial deposit of $10,000, the total net profit for the period was $1,273. Okay, that's not bad. The profit factor was 1.07. The balance drawdown was 38.54%. The total trades taken in the period, as you can see, was 140 trades in under 1 year. Okay, so as for the equity curve, let's look at what the graph looks like compared to the developer's graph. So as you can see, when you put a moving average plus price action system like this through a proper backtest using realistic spreads and tick data, you tend to see a few common patterns. As you can see, when the market is trending cleanly, especially on pairs like EURUSD as we use here, or GBPUSD, the equity curve climbs fairly nicely. The EA takes some small losses, as you can see here, when it gets faked out, then catches a good run and recovers, plus some profits. Okay, but when the market gets choppy again, ranging or constantly reversing around the same levels, the system gets caught up. It enters on what looks like a breakout or continuation, only for price to snap back, hit the stop, and then do the same thing in the other direction. Alright, so as you can see in my own testing, the equity curve reflects that story very clearly. Periods of smooth, steady growth when conditions line up with the trend logic, followed by sections where the curve goes sideways, as you can see, or bleeds as well down as the EA grinds through a series of small, frustrating losses. The win rate itself is often decent, but the distribution of wins and losses is very regime dependent. That's the key thing the marketing doesn't really highlight. Performance lives and dies on market regime. So you can clearly see it's quite different from what we had on the developers page. In that case, it was sort of like a 45 degree angle rise. But in this case, you can see a more volatile form of movement, ups and downs here and there. Although ultimately it closed in profits a bit higher from where it started over here on the far left. All right, so this EA looks to be for traders who already understand that the Forex robot is just an automated strategy, not a guaranteed income stream. And also traders who want something that avoids greed and martingale and prefer a more classic trend following approach with defined stop loss and take profits. Anyone looking for fully hands-off guaranteed monthly profits should probably avoid CA. Traders who also panic at normal drawdowns should avoid it as well. People who don't want to worry about broker quality, spread, or execution, or anyone who just wants a set and forget solution and never wants to check on the system should avoid this EA as well. Alright, so if you found this breakdown helpful, do me a favor and hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel if you want more honest EA reviews, and drop a comment below telling me which robot you want me to review next. And don't forget, you can grab that free MT4 and MT5 Forex robots with built-in indicators and candlestick patterns using the link in the description below. It's a good way to start experimenting with automated strategies without fixing money on a paid EA straight away. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.